हाय एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद है आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। तो ये है हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट, जिसको हमने कल भी जो है वो डिस्कस किया था, लेकिन किसी मिस्टेक की वजह से वो अपलोड नहीं हो सका, मीन्स के रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ वो। तो इस वजह से हम दोबारा अगेन कर रहे हैं ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट। उम्मीद है आप जो है सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे और मेरा ये प्रोजेक्ट एंजॉय करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू जिन्होंने कल ज्वाइन किया। और मैं उनसे इल्तमास करूंगा कि वो भी जो है मेरे लिंक प्रोजेक्ट को एंजॉय करें। थैंक यू सो मच। Now we start the topic. The topic name was Candy Drop 62 and Candy Drop X Subnet Proof. The trade to share 2000000 proof. Is the topic. The topic name was Candy Drop X Subnet. Now we discuss its explanation. Stay connected with me and enjoy my live stream. I hope you all enjoy my stream. Your presence means a lot. Thank you so much, my all crypto family. मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप सब मेरा प्रोजेक्ट को अगेन ज्वाइन करें। कल किसी मिस्टेक की वजह से जो है वो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ। So now we discussed its explanation. CandyDrop is Gates' Candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrops. We are excited to launch the Proof Token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 2000000 proof. Thank you so much to all of my friends. तो हम अभी फॉलोवर गिफ्ट लगा देते हैं ताकि हमारे साथ काफ़ी सारे लोग जुड़े रहें और हमारी स्ट्रीम को फॉलो करके अपना फॉलोवर गिफ्ट हासिल करें। Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. So now here is the explanation with a maximum individual share of 100 Pro. Detail are as follows. Now we discuss the detail. Here is the detail. You can see it on the screen. It has 3 points. Number 1 is first future trade price pool. 1000000 Pro fixed 20 Pro per eligible user. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Oh yes, Crypto I ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो आई फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो क्रिप्टो आई। जी लगा दिया गिफ्ट। क्रिप्टो रजेक्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय स्ट्रीम। The second point is future trading pool 1000000 proof maximum 80 proof per person. The last and the third point is airdrop calculation formula individual candy amount by total candies of all users multiply by price pool. Hello dear, how are you? I'm fine. Reply, how about you? Thank you so much, Gate users, Dinner Chicken for joining my stream. Event period August 6, 2025 at 10, August 17, 2025 at 10 UTC. Now we open the official page of this topic. This is the official page. Okay, here's the official page of Proof. Subnet is building a decentralized power network so that everyone can build blockchain application and infrastructure secured by cryptographic trust, not trust. Truth, not trust. Thank you so much to all of you. Now, here is the total prize pool. The total prize pool are 2000000 and the participants are 27910. Now here is the registration open, ended and airdrop. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Registration open. Registration number 1 is the registration open 2025 8/6 at 15 p.m. Event ended at 2025 8/17 at 15 p.m. Thank you so much, Crypto I and Crypto Rosex, for your support. Thank you so much to all of you. Crypto I, thank you so much. Good to see you all. I hope कि आपको मेरी आवाज भी सही आ रही होगी. Complete task to share 200,000 proof price pool. First future trade pool 100,000 proof. Have a good day. You doing good job. God bless you and your family. Thank you so much, Crypto I, for your kind words. First future trade pool 100,000 proof. The total tokens are 100,000 proof and the individual share limit is 20 proof. And the estimated share is blank. The price pool has been fully claimed. Please check the estimated share on the page to see if you have won fixed rewards. Login and participate. 2025 at 6 at 15 pm. 2025 8:17 at 15 pm. Complete task. 2025 at 6:15 pm. 2025 8:17 at 15 pm. First future trading volume greater than or equal to 5,000 USDT. Future first trade exclusive. Trade greater than or equal to 5,000 USDT in any future contract to earn 20 Pro. Claim 20 Pro reward will be distributed on 2025 9/4 at 15 pm. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Now here is the activity rules. After joining Gate, if users have not conducted any contract trading, the first contract trading volume of any token greater than or equal to 5,000 USDT will receive a fixed reward of 220 Pro on a first come first served basis. The total price pool is 100,000 Pro. Thank you so much Crypto Rosex and Crypto I. क्रिप्टो आई आप हमारे स्ट्रीम को देखें कि सब कुछ ठीक जा रहा है ना. फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग टू शेयर 100,000 प्रो. क्रिप्टो रोजेक्स की तरफ से कॉम्प्लीमेंट आया है. यू आर नॉट जस्ट स्ट्रीमिंग, यू आर क्रिएटिंग एन एक्सपीरियंस. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो रोजेक्स. Complete task and share price pool. Login and participate 2025 8/6 at 15 pm. 2025 8/17 at 15 pm. Complete task 2025 8/6 at 15 pm and 2025 8/17 at 15 pm. There are three tiers. Tier 1 is Pro Future Trading Mission greater than or equal to 30,000 USDT. 1 candy is equal to 11.724703 Pro. Tier 2 explains Pro Future Trading Mission greater than or equal to 50,000 USDT. Tier 3 is Pro Future Trading Mission greater than or equal to 80,000 USDT. 5 candies is equal to 58.623519 Pro. Now here is the claim up to 80 Pro. Rewards will be distributed on 2025 9/4 at 15 pm. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Now here is the activity rules. During the event, user with cumulative future trading volume greater than or equal to 30,000 USDT Pro can receive candies up to a maximum of 9 candies and share in the 100,000 Pro price pool. Future trading volume is equal to open interest plus close interest. Thank you so much to all of you. Now here is the FAQ, frequently asked questions. Number 1 is, what are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? This answer is here, you can see it on the screen. User participating in Candy Drop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Thank you so much to all of my friends for joining my stream. Now the next question is, when will candies be distributed after completing task? The answer is here. Candy will distribute with 1/3 or after user complete task. Please log in and check in the candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. Thank you so much Mehdi Hassan Rafi 77. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Now the third question is, what is the prize pool sharing and why are there no candies rewards? Prize pool sharing means that users who reach the activity threshold through their transaction volume or recharge amount during the event can share the total reward prize pool proportionally. Therefore, there are no candy rewards. Thank you so much all the great users for joining my stream. Now here is the fourth question. You can see it on the screen. What are the first spot and first future trading tasks? Users who never conducted any spot or future trading after joining Gate and can share. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. By spotting the first spot future trade of the specified token and reaching the cumulative trading volume requirement during the event period, user can complete the task and receive event rewards. Thank you so much, Don Griles, for joining my stream. Now we open the official website of this topic. Here is the official website. You can see it on the screen. So, Sucknet. Prove the word software. Sucknet is the decentralized power network that makes zero knowledge easy for everyone. This diagram is here. You can see it on the screen. Very beautiful graphics. Thank you so much, King Dealer, MD Jafar Ahmed, Ivan Khan, Kai. Thank you so much to all of you. UID ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है. Thank you so much UID for joining my stream. I hope कि आप सब मेरी स्ट्रीम को enjoy कर रहे होंगे. 35 plus partners for $4 billion plus TVL secured. The best team trusted Trust Sucknet to power their critical infrastructure, including Polygon, Celestia, Avail, and more. Now, here is the infrastructure for the proving economy. SPY, the world's fastest RISC-V VZKVM Prover Network, a decentralized network to provide compute and earn rewards. You can see the picture SP1. Thank you so much. Now here is the Sucknet makes zero knowledge easy and secure. Here is the program of Sucknet. You can see it. This is the program. Thank you so much, Divanti Chibu, for joining my stream. Write, trust, prove, verify. Proof at light speed. You can see the graphical view of this site. Proof at light speed generate proofs locally or use over prover network with SPI at peak performance. Write, trust, prove, verify. Build with privacy and verifiability anywhere. Verify SP1 proof on any blockchain. Ethereum, L2S, Solana, mobile, the web and beyond. Built with Sucknet. ZKEVMS. Generate proofs at a Ethereum block execution using them and read them and create a ZKVM with just Rust come. Now the next one is the rollups. Generate validity proofs for the rollups, state transition function and use ZKPS to bridge to Ethereum or other settlement layer. The next one is the coprocessor. Thank you so much CryptoEye for joining my stream. The next one is the identity user client STD proving to create attestations with private inputs to build application with private voting or announced. Thank you so much OXBit for joining. Welcome to Nawab Enterpriser. Now here is the interoperability. Use any cryptographic generation for non-relatively spot in a new EVM such as elliptic curve, arithmetic partings, and signatures. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Now here is the explore the SIGNET power word. You can see it. Partner with us. Reach out to get in touch with our team. And the next one is the use SPI. Start building with fastest, most feature complete ZK EM for developers. Backed by the brightest, we work with the world-class investors at the cutting edge of blockchain and crypto. Staking. Stake proof to approval and earn your share of approval revenue and additional incentivize. And the Explorer is here. Observe real world usage of SubConnect Prover network. Here is the websites of SubConnect. So we connected to this this page. So here's the official website ended. Now we open the white paper. So where is white paper? Yes, there is the white paper of this website. Thank you so much to all of my friends who have joined my stream. Okay, here is the white paper. You can see. SubConnect network. Prove the word software. Omar OS, SubConnect, John Guliba, SubConnect, Kishtij, Kolkani, SubConnect, Malesh, Pai, SubConnect, Dear, Robinson Paradigm. So now we discuss its explanation. So here is its explanation. You can see it. Abstract. We propose the SubConnect network, a decentralized protocol that proves the word software. The network coordinates a distributed set of provers who generate zero knowledge proof through a novel incentive mechanism called proof contest to create the world's most efficient, robust proving cluster. Users submit requests in the form of RISC-V programming programs with inputs and fees that determine proving priority. Provers engage in proof contests, which are all pay auctions for the right to generate proofs with minimum latency and cost. In order to earn fees, the auction settle for the right to generate proofs with minimal latency and cost. In order to earn fees, the auction settle on the application specific blockchain. Both proof of contest and the blockchain are coincide with SPI. Designed to balance the competing goals of minimizing proof of cost while encouraging a decentralized set of provers. Thank you so much to all of my friends who have joined. The network coordinates the ecosystem of user hardware teams and infrastructure operator with crypto economic incentives. Permissionless participation in the protocol catalyzes a global scale infrastructure build out that drives down the cost and the latency of zero knowledge proof of generation for R. Okay, here's the introduction of SubConnect. Decentralized systems such as blockchain operate based on distributed consensus. Multiple parties re-execute computation and agree on the result. In exchange, blockchain allow for trustless applications that do not have a centralized mediator. This idea was first applied to decentralized money with Bitcoin and then to arbitrary trustless computation with Ethereum. Redundant computation, however, is costly and imposes overhead on blockchain. Succinect Zero Knowledge proofs promise a path forward. They enable a prover to convince a verifier of the knowledge of a claim. It's the graphical table of this website. You can see it on the screen. Thank you so much, Ivan Khan. Thank you so much, Gate User, Anima, Princess One, Dear, good, great. Thank you so much. So now we discuss its explanation. The explanation is here. Will optionally private inputs with a proof that is much shorter than the claim itself. This allows blockchains to scale their throughput by separating transaction execution, which is expensive, from transaction verification, which can be made cheap through ZK proofs. Only a small fraction of other participants in the system have to do expensive computation, while many nodes can just verify it. In the case of Ethereum with real-time ZK proofs, attesters can verify keep snags instead of naively re-executing EVM transaction, allowing Ethereum to arbitrarily scale draw 24 beyond their implications for making blockchain scalable and commercially viable. ZK proofs here herald of fundamentally new kind of computing paradigm, cryptographic computing that enables verifiability in all sides of in our system. The implication of unambiguous verifiability and are wide range, including tasks such as authentication, identity, identity manager, management, and transaction verification take up the resources of governments and global companies. With cryptographic computing, it may be possible to vastly reduce the companies with release the overhead these entities face via protocols that consume ZK proofs and automatically verify correct program execution or private user information. Crucially, ZK proofs verify correct program execution or private user information. Crucially, ZK proofs differ from earlier cryptographic computing. It may be possible to vastly reduce the overhead these entities face via protocol that consume ZK proofs. Thank you so much. Welcome to Skyfall. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Crucially, ZK proofs verify correct program execution or private user information, which enable authentication on the internet in their programmability. They can allow for verifiably statements about any interpret per net without any interpret in their programmability. They can allow for verifiable settlements about any computation or any private or public inputs, vastly opening the design space for decentralized protocols and business logic involving attestations of adversity. CryptoEye, thank you so much for joining my stream. Keep it up. Thank you so much, CryptoEye, for joining my stream. आई होप कि आप मेरे स्ट्रीम को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो my all crypto family. Thank you so much. Today there are two important trends in ZK technology that indicate we are at a significant inflection point. The first is the rapid increase in performance in practical ZK proof system. When efficient interactive proof systems were introduced in 1980s, they remained difficult to use until modern proof of system made significant advantages in improving overhead cost and latency. Long key double 2 Plonky Double 2, Plonky 23. ZK improving performance has been on an exponential curve due to improvements in software and performance engineering. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining my stream. I hope you are all enjoy my stream. Thank you so much, UID, for joining my stream. This is the progress in the second progress in the ZK programming technology from application specific circuit design which encodes program logic in an arithmetic circuit to general purpose. ZK virtual machine that enable the proving of arbitrary and deterministic program and can utilize normal code and existing software. The flexibility of normal programming languages allows for reuse for existing code. General purpose ZKVMs such as SPI have the radically expanded the number of developers who can build these applications that can have allowed blockchain to become early consumer of ZK proving SP124. The confidence of both exponential performance improvements and general purpose ZK VMS suggest a re-examination of the ingredients that will be required to accelerate the adoption of the cryptographic computing paradigms. ZK proving is a computationally intensive workload on the order of large scale. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. As ZK proving is a computationally intensive workload on the order large scale AI system or Bitcoin mining production tests like proving the execution of a blockchain state transition function in the future. Can require specialized hardware such as GPUs and may require custom ASICs in the future. As the adoption of ZK technology accelerates, proving will necessitate the ecosystem of infrastructure providers from the data center build nodes in areas with low cost of electricity to deployment of specialized hardware. For blockchain use case, it is important that proving that decentralized with geographically distributed proving and as important that proving decentralized graphic proving operators in addition to home provers who can provide reliability and liveness. Realizing this ecosystem composed of users, powers and infrastructure providers requires global scale coordination and a network that appropriately incentivizes hardware acceleration, prover decentralization, cost competition, ZK proving. To ensure that advance in proving technology accurate to set and to end user, this network ought to become code designed with a single ZKVM. Network code design ensures that user can write application on a canonical open source ZKVM that experience continual performance improvement, and hardware teams and infrastructure providers can coordinate to a unified platform. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. Thank you so much Crypto Rosex and Crypto I for supporting me. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. So here is another one is the combination of coordination and competition becomes between provers is a catalyst for the creation of maximally efficient network. So here is the diagram. You can see it on the screen. So we move to its explanation. The network by aggregating supply and demand creates a virtuous flywheel for proving infrastructure and R&D. So here is the Suckinet network. Thank you so much, my dear friend Maz, for joining my stream. Crypto I, thank you so much for again joining. Welcome to Muhammad bin Yassin. How are you, Muhammad bin Yassin? I hope you're doing well. The Suckinet network introduces the idea of a global distributed proving cluster code signed with SPI and prover and powered by a competitive auction mechanism called proof contest to dramatically expand the proving capacity of the world. Thank you so much UID for joining my stream. So here's the first point, a global distributed proving cluster. Network provides a unified platform for users to submit proof requests and for anyone in the world to provide proving capacity. Provers can join the network permissionlessly and participate by running node software and user can get high reliability guarantee for their request. Next point is proof contest. The proof contest mechanism is a novel auction that balances proving cost and decentralization and induce market competition on proving. It functions as all in-pay auctions with a collateral that allows for effective price discovery on request while maintaining a decentralized prover set and solving several related problems such as proof of spamming, and contention and griefing. So much to all of you for joining my stream. Proof contest settlement on an application specific blockchain designed for establishing coordinating powers with request. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining my stream. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Now, the next point is the market structure. There are two primary participants in the network application who demand ZK proving and provers who provide proving capacity and infrastructure. The cluster and proof contest mechanism jointly introduce a market structure with a virtuous flywheel by aggregating supply and demand. Thank you so much, my all dear friends, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, dear. I hope you all enjoy my stream. Okay, let's move to the topic. The cluster and proof contest mechanism jointly induce a market structure with a virtuous flywheel by aggregating supply and demand. This incentivizes global scaling competition for developing increasingly efficient proving infrastructure. Tight integration with SP1 development and the network also ensures that technology and algorithmic advances in proving can quickly occur to users. We detail this process and how it affects the market participants. Now here is the network kickstarts a virtuous flywheel by aggregating supply and demand. The network is explicitly architected so that any user can permissionlessly send requests in a unified interface and so that any prover can join and provide capacity according to the pricing determined by the proof contest mechanism. The existence of this free market aggregates demand across many applications and supply across many provers. This has the following implications. Firstly, we discuss a unified request experience means more efficiency. Without the aggregation of supply and demand, it is likely that market for the proving degenerates into application towards making bespoke agreements or application setting up in-house infrastructure over the long term. Run application teams may not be well positioned to run their own proving infrastructure due to the specialized operation and technical skills involved. Over the counter deals we are not efficient and led to frictions in the market. A transparent market with a unified protocol for pricing provided by an aggregated supply chain reduces integrating for pricing proof provided by an aggregated supply chain reducing integration time, development cost and generates efficient prices. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So the next point is transparent pricing accelerates infrastructure. With transparent pricing and aggregated demand, provers face economics that are far easier to forecast. Prover can build out infrastructure faster with more certainly becomes their cash flows are more predictable. The existence of a transparent market for proving means that prover's risk can be priced and financed efficiently. So here's the third point. The third point explains home provers with low cost of capital from proving pools. The protocol allows for anyone in the world with spare proving capacity to join. Often individuals with home GPUs and hardware have far smaller capital cost due to spare capacity. Thank you so much, CryptoEye, for joining and for supporting me. Thank you so much. His comment is well done. Keep it up. Thank you so much, CryptoEye. Skyfall, thank you so much. Mohing Yox with Dinner Chicken, thank you so much to all of you. So we read the topic. In section 3.4, we introduce the notion of any proving pool, which is a set of provers that pools their capacity together to jointly bid in the proof contest mechanism. This allows home provers to mitigate economic risks. Now the 4 point is here, you can see it on the screen. The 4 point explains permission as participation encourages power decentralization because entry into the market from both sides is permissionless. The frictions for joining and beginning to provide proving capacity are minimized. This allows improvers to join from anywhere, enabling geographic decentralization in contrast to a marketplace where only certain actors can participate. This means that downstream and application can reliably receive proof and are not bottlenecked by provers in a particular application. Now here is another explanation. Importantly, markets that aggregate supply and demand have historically resulted in ever greater efficiency and better prices for all the participants. The virtuous flywheel accelerates both the demand and the supply side. Now here is the next topic, proof contest incentivization, global skill competition while maintaining power decentralization. The proof contest mechanism uses competition on proving and incentivize decentralized proof sets, ensuring that applications that require high reliability and liveness are able to receive proofs for minimum cost. Proof contests are all pay actions where provers complete to receive fees provided by proof requests sent by user. This all pay failure induces prover decentralization. We provide more detail about the mechanism in section 3. Thank you so much. Where is Velvet? I can. Uh, okay, I am asking to Velvet why you don't join up. So here are the points. Proof contest enable competition between provers. Primarily, proof contests are designed to enable proving cost. This is achieved by asking provers to bid in auctions to be able to receive fees set by users. Proof contests surface price signals by adjusting their fees to find clearing pricing for proof. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. Muhammad bin Yasin, delicious. Thank you so much to all of you for joining. Gate users, thank you so much to all of you. Now here is this is achieved by asking provers to bid in action to be able to receive fees set by users. Proof contest surface price signal by adjusting their fees to find the market clearing prices for proof. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. Thank you all of you for joining my stream. The next point is here. Price discovery allows for reinvestment. So here's the price discovery. You can see it on the screen. Proof contest pay out a large share of fees set by user to empower that perform their core task well, efficiently generating low-cost ZK proofs with a user-specified deadline. This allows returns from the contest to be reinvested in better proving infrastructure and algorithmic and hardware improvements in proving. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. Provers are incentivized to continually improve their proving infrastructure. Proving pools can also provide smooth fees to individual provers, allowing them to participate in the network in a plug and play fashion. Thank you so much, Crypto I, for your compliments and for supporting me. Thank you so much, Crypto I and Crypto Rosex, for joining and supporting me. Great users, thank you so much. Now here is the gains from competition to occur to application. And users are the primary beneficiaries from competition between provers. Over time, provers directly compete with each other on the main feature that user demand low cost proof delivered with user specified deadlines. Subha Bakhair, thank you so much, great user, for saying me good morning. Over time, provers directly compete with each other on the main feature that user demand low cost proof deliver within user specified deadlines. Importantly, there are applications that require proof to be delivered at low cost to be viable at scale. The network uses free market competition to serve these applications. Number 4 point is here. The mechanism enables power decentralization in contrast to naive mechanism in which a prover who can generate proof at a lower cost than any other would be expected to win 100% of auctions. Such as simple reverse auction, the proof contest mechanism incentivizes decentralization even under the existence of such a power. Thank you so much for all for joining my live stream. This is done via an all pay feature. December contest or context for fixed prices. Thank you so much, Crypto I. King Dollar, thank you so much, Mohingi. Ali Zan Kauti, thank you so much to all of you. for joining my live stream. This incentivizes a broad prover set and prevents power concentration, which help ensure long-term robustness of the network. This requires sacrificing some efficiency since it necessarily involves some time allocating proofs to higher cost provers. In exchange, having a robust decentralized prover set allows application to rely on the network. Here is the table, you can see it on the screen. Permissionless participation, incentive and application. So here is the points: Bitcoin, Filecoin, Alio and Succinect Power Network. So Bitcoin in permissionless participation set up a miner proof of work decentralized money. Filecoin set up storage proof of replication decentralized storage. Alio set up a power proof of a Succinect work private blockchain. Succinect network set up a power proof of contest decentralized proving. So here is the related works. The Succinect network draws its inspiration from a line of related work that used crypto economic incentives to coordinate global scale compute infrastructure build outs such as Bitcoin and Filecoin. Today, Bitcoin has a hash rate that exceeds the capacity of any one company or nation. This way, catalyzed by incentivized set up by the proof of work protocol. We compare and contrast the key feature of existing infrastructure build nodes that use an incentivized with a Succinect power. Table 1 summarizes the comparison on the axis of permissionless participation. Thank you so much to all of you, Muhammad bin Yasin, Gate user, Evan Khan. Thank you so much who have joined my live stream. Thank you so much to all of you. We compare and contrast the key feature of existing infrastructure build nodes that use incentives with a Succinect power network. Table 1 summarizes the comparison on the axis of permissionless participation. Incentivized and the application. Number 1 is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has bootstrapped a decentralized monetary system by incentivizing miners via the proof of work mechanism. Next, 08 the Bitcoin network's incentives have led to hardware reinvestment and specialized energy management infrastructure. It has also led to the creation of large mining pools that allow individuals to participate in block construction. Bitcoin users, however, do not explicitly demand low cost and low latency block construction from miners. So here is the next one, Filecoin. Filecoin set up a decentralized storage network via the proof of space-time and proof of replication mechanisms. In Filecoin, storage providers can earn reward for providing capacity to user and user can use the network for long-term encrypting storage. As the service being provided to a user is commodity, the primary requirement for participating as a storage provider is capital, which is required to purchase hardware. Running a storage node can also require specialized data center operation skills. In contrast, to prove the join generation, Filecoin does not require specialized algorithmic knowledge and significant reinvestment in hardware improvements. Now the third one is Alio. Alio enabled a privacy-first blockchain by incentivizing validator and provers with a via a mixture of proof of stake and proof of Succinect network. In Alio, validators are responsible for proposing batches of transactions to the network and provers solve coin-based puzzles akin to proof of work mining and generates ZK proof to earn rewards. The puzzle incentivizes prover to reinvest in hardware acceleration. However, a Leo prover do not face the problem of delivering cost-effective proof to end user. For this reason, provers can tolerate redundant work and contention caused by mining. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Get users. Thank you so much, crypto family, for joining my stream. So here is the proof of contest. We now introduce the proof contest mechanism, which is an auction that allocates requests to provers in the network and allows them to earn fees by balancing the dual forces of cost, effectiveness, and decentralization. At any time, user has sent a set of outstanding proof requests R1 to Rn and a set of provers P1 to Pn are available to prove them. Each request Rj comes attached with a fee fj, which is the amount of user pay for the proof, generate a proof of the request. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. A cycle amount Sj, which is the measure of the amount of work required to generate a proof of the request and a deadline, which is the maximum amount of time and user is willing to wait for the request after assigning. Provers can have private capacities for the maximum amount of cycles they can prove and private marginal cost per cycle. There are several criteria that any mechanisms for allocating proof requests to provers should satisfy. Crypto I, thank you so much for joining my stream. Mohammed bin Yassin, welcome again. Now his key points are efficiency, user experience, power, decentralization, and spam proofs. And the last one is the throughputs. So we discussed it one by one. Efficiency. The mechanism should match the highest value request to lowest cost provers to maximize the surplus and correspondingly cure the user low experience. Provers should compete to offer user preferential prices. User experience. User should experience transparent competitive prices. Requests should be filled within the user specified deadline with a very high reliability. Requesting both should be simple. Thank you so much, great users, for joining my stream. Now the next point is the user experience. Users should experience transparent competitive prices. Requests should be filled within user specified deadline with every high reliability. Requesting proof should be simple. The third one is the prover decentralization. The mechanism should incentivize a decentralized prover set and allow home provers to join. Application may not be able to rely on a single concentrated prover that comes to dominate the market due to the economies of scale. The fourth point is spam proofs. Neither provers nor users should be incentivized to send spam proof to the network to collect fees. The network should maximize the allocation of proving capacity and rewards to proof requests with real economic value. Throughput. The mechanism should minimize contention on request and maximize assignment of requests to available capacity and correspondingly maximize throughput. We first cover three candidate mechanisms and evaluate them on the above criteria. In table 2, we compare these mechanisms with proof contests which we describe shortly. Mohammed bin Yassin, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you all the great users for joining my stream. Straw man mechanism mining. As a first approach, we can consider a mechanism commonly found in prior work on proof of work blockchains. In this approach, multiple provers may work on a proof request simultaneously and submit the resulting proof to earn rewards. One way of assigning reward is to ask provers to submit proofs that satisfy a certain difficulty level. This approach was pioneered by KB23 and Elio WU23 in the context of designing a consensus protocol. KB23 introduces the notion of using excess energy in proof of work to generate ZK proofs. Thank you so much to all of you. Another way of assigning reward is by the order in which provers submitted proofs. The first prover to submit a valid proof earns the largest share of the reward and subsequent provers earn less. An advantage of mining is that it enables a decentralized prover set that. So here is the true and false. Efficiency, the mining is false, the stake is also false, and the reverse option, the proof contest is correct. User experience, mining is cross, stake based selection is cross, reverse option is correct, and the proof of contest is also correct. Power decentralization, prover decentralization. The mining is correct and the stake based is also correct. The reverse option is false and the proof contract is correct. Spam proofs. The first is the mining is cross and the stake based selection is correct. Reverse option is also correct and the proof contest is also correct. Throughputs. The mining is false, the stake based is true, and the reverse option is true, and the proof contest is also true. Evaluating proof contest alongside several candidate mechanisms allow for home provers and smaller hardware teams to continue to participate in the network. However, mining leads to significantly higher cost and reduced throughput due to contention, as many provers may be working on the same request at the same time, generating unnecessary redundant proofs. Further, if provers are incentivized based on the difficulty of proof, there is an incentive to submit proof request of high difficulty but no economic value to collect rewards. Welcome to Nawab Enterpriser Bhavani Gate users. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my stream. Now here is the straw man mechanism, stake based selection. A second approach involves choosing provers to prove requests via stake based sections. This can be implemented by asking provers to deposit collateral or stake and then selecting them to prove a request with probability proportional to their stake. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. I hope you all enjoy my stream. The upside of the mechanism is that it avoids contention by assigning each request to a single prover. However, if implemented in isolation without a fee mechanism that finds market clearing prices, it does not directly introduce competition on cost, since provers are selected purely based on the amount of stake they hold in the system. It separates the incentives of running a prover, which involves algorithmic and hardware improvement, from those of running a staking service, which involves capital management. So the next one is the straw man mechanism, reverse auction. A third approach involves asking provers to participate in a competitive auction to reduce the price of a proof, such as much as possible. In this mechanism, provers bid in a reverse or procurement auctions for the right to satisfy proof request. Provers submit bids for each request. The bid is interpreted as the lowest price at which a prover is willing to satisfy the request. The winner is the lowest bidder and can win at either the lowest or second lowest price. This mechanism leads to an efficient allocation of requests and minimize contention due to proof assignment to a single prover. However, it potentially leads to intense prover concentration, as a single prover who is capable of generating proofs at lower cost that any other may come to win every auction. Thank you so much to all of you. Here is the diagram. You can see it on the screen. So now we discuss its explanation. OXBit, thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. Proof contest asks provers to deposit collateral in order to bid. In order to bid for request, winning provers are assigned proofs and have to complete them within specified deadlines or risk having their collateral slashed. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. So the next point is the mechanism description. The main novelty of the proof contest mechanism is that it solves for the desired criteria and offers competitive prices to users while encouraging a decentralized prover set, improving upon the mechanism introduced earlier. Proof contests use a mixture of collateral and an all pay auction to earn market clearing fees. Thank you so much to all of you. I hope you all enjoy my stream. Proof contest use a mixture of collateral and an all pay auction to earn market clearing fees to cause provers to compete on proof generation. In our design, prover deposit collateral to be able Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. So here is the in our design prover deposit collateral to be able to participate in all pay auction or tug log contention to be assigned to the right on the generator for request tug log contest model competition between a set of participants for fixed rewards. They have been studied in other contexts. They have been studied on other contexts in blockchain, most notably in under modeling Bitcoin mining and Ethereum block. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Goodbye, and all of you. Thank you so goodbye. Thank you so much to all of you. The all pay feature of proof contest induces competition on proving, as in order to win the contest, prover have to submit competitive bids. The collateral acts to solve the nothing at stake problem for provers, such as they incentivized to not agree on assigned request. We first introduced the primitive that proof contest uses. A schematic description of the mechanism is shown in figure 4. Thank you so much to all of you. Now, here is the censorship resident bulletin record. Thank you so much to all of you. So, here is the censorship resident bulletin board. First, we assume that there exists a censorship resident public bulletin board. In the case of the network implementation, we make use of an application-specific blockchain. We provide further details about the network implementation in section 4. The board provides functions read dot, write dot, and execute dot. The function read allows anyone who calls the function to read all message written to bulletin board. The function write m allows to user to write a message m to the bulletin board. Finally, the function execute bulletin board to compute the output of an algorithm and write it to the bulletin board. This can be implemented using a smart contract functionality. Entry and collateral. Okay, now we move to the first page. Official page is the official page. First future trade price pool rules. Users who make their first ever future trade on Gate and future trading volume of any token Greater than equal to 5000 USDT will receive a fixed 20 proof reward, first come first served, total prize pool 100000 proof distributed after the event. Finally, Crypto Champion join us. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to you. Number two is the future trading price pool rules. During the event, user with a cumulative proof future trading volume open plus close greater than equal to 30,000 USDT will earn candies and share the 100000 proof pool. Max 9 candies per user with a cap of 80 proof. The rewards rules are as follows. It has 3 points proof trading volume greater than equal to 30,000 USDT 1 candy. Proof trading volume greater than equal to 50,000 USDT 3 candies. Proof trading volume greater than equal to 80,000 USDT 5 candies. Now here is the project introduction. Subnet is building a decentralized proven network so that anyone can build blockchain application infrastructure secured by cryptographic truth, not trust. Subnet unifies the proof supply chain, providing highly available proof generation infrastructure with best in class pricing for rollups, core processor, and other applications using zero knowledge proof. Token proof official website is the official website. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. You light up the stream with your energy and charm. Always a joy to watch you live. Keep going. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your beautiful compliment. Notes. Number one is participate must click the join now button on the event page after successfully joining the event. They must complete the event task and identify verification to receive rewards. Rewards will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the end of an event. Crypto Hive again join us. Thank you so much. It is strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts engaged in malicious wash trading, self-buying and self-selling or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified user will be considered the same account. Sub-accounts are not allowed to participate in activities. Market makers, enterprises and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in friend invitation type activities, while other activities are unrestricted. In case of any discrepancies between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Gate has the final interpretation right for this event. User in the restricted areas cannot access. Thank you so much to all of you for joining my live stream. User in restricted areas cannot access all part of services. Risk warning. User must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is high volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risk and to trade cautiously. Okay, Crypto I read your message. Thank you so much, Crypto I and Crypto Champion, for your support. So we end the topic. Gateway to crypto trade over 3500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite a friend and earn our 40% commission. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of results. So now the topic is ended. I hope you all enjoy my live stream. तो इसी के साथ आज का टॉपिक हमारा ख़त्म होता है. तो कल मिलेंगे एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू. UID, thank you so much for joining. So we close the stream.